What are your words for things like odd and weird and strange? How do you express these concepts?
Odd, strange. Chatúne. No, right. Chatúne even hashin.
Now, even would that be?
You would. It could do the strange bit.
Yes. Is that a wee bit more like eccentric or odd though?
Even, yes, but it conjures up more than one thing.
Mm-hmm. Could be funny as well.
Yes, I do you say even. It would mean that he could be funny, but he could also be strange.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So a wee bit eccentric or whatever.
Yes. Yes.
Aye.
Yeah. Chatúne even hashin.
And what about the word droll? What does that mean?
Chatúne droll. Yes, that's a word. Absolutely.
Is that an odd character sort of thing, or?
Yes. Dúne even would be a man that was quite funny. Dúne droll would be a man that maybe was eccentric. Yes.
Yeah, right. So it is. Yes.
Yes. But even has another. If somebody was telling a joke, that could be even too. It could be funny.
So straight up humour
as
well.
Yes, that's right.
And would you use a word like neonach?
Neonach, yes.
Neonach.
Absolutely, yeah.
Now is that the sort of bog standard strange? Oh, nachal sin neonach gan de hachar sin na.
Yes. Absolutely, yeah.
We already know the two languages don't match up word for word. They never have, never will.
No.
You know, and they're sort of in between one another sometimes. But is there a sense in which neonach would cover strange but wouldn't cover weird, or does it cover weird as well? In that bloody weird set of circumstances, would that still be neonach?
No, I don't think so.
No.
Neonach, you could look out the window there and see something, and you could think, I should neonach. Well, it's funny that that's there.
Yeah, yes, but that's like peculiar or strange.
But yes.
It's not weird as in something really out from left field.
It's not outlandish.
No. So what about anasach? Do you use that word?
Anasach, yes. Anasach.
And what does that mean?
Somebody was telling you almost like a weird story.
Right. So unusual almost.
An unusual story. That would be anasach.
So perhaps droll could bring in weird as well then?
Yes, it could.
Yes. Yep. But anasach would be unusual.
This is very taxing. I haven't used these words.
But I think good for the brain.
No, good for the brain. It's supposed to keep you away from brain disease or whatever.